there guys, and welcome back to ToyBroadway, and today I've got an exciting toy to share with you. It's a remote control tank, the Armoured Core. This looks very cool. It's multifunctional. It can move forward, backwards, turn left, turn right, 360-degree rotation on the turret. It also has a gun barrel that moves up and down. This looks amazing. I think we need to get this out of the box. Okay, so let's just slide it out of its packaging. Oh, and there's a mirror in the bottom. That's cool. And here's where the remote control is and the instructions. And it looks like we can just lift this part up here. Here's the remote control. How amazing is that? And here we have the instructions of the German Tiger simulation tank instructions. We have an antennae, I'll show you that we can just push in and it screws in like so, and we can just put it up. And so I've just put in 4 batteries. And let's replace the cover. And it also has a charging plug on the side, which is pretty cool. Let's take a close look at the tank. Okay, so let's switch it on. This is such a cool remote control tank, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any remote control vehicles. Also, don't forget to like this video and tap on any of the boxes that will follow to continue watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe now.